You need marketing. You need to have legal services. You need bookkeeping. You need accounting. What that means is oftentimes the nature of their work is very complex, tedious, grounded in rules and regulations.
The value add historically has always been that they are there to help navigate a really boring system. Slowly, AI is going to chip away at that. AI is excellent at navigating complexity. You can train an LLM to understand the legal code. They need to dig deeper on client relationships, the human side of things. And that's something that AI won't be able to take away. Your value as a lawyer is going to be in how nuanced you are in interpreting the law and how you actually provide emotional support to your clients.
Their work didn't change all that much when the internet came in. What a lawyer does is done through email now, but the majority of their work is done through actually thinking about a case.
Yeah.
As an accountant, the internet didn't really change your work either. What we're seeing now is that AI is fundamentally rethinking your business model. And these industries are the ones that will become the most AI native. There will still be a part of your work that is essential for a human to do. If you have more time to prepare, then you're more effective in your work. The nature of a bookkeeper's job is not going to be to process payroll anymore, but rather to advise you on how to structure your teams better, on how to leverage remote teams. And the strategic advisory piece here is where your work will matter the most and you'll still be relevant. You'll only be able to do that if you have implemented AI. If you miss the wave, you lose out completely. People are looking at AI and they intrinsically feel that it will eat their lunch. It is going to automate a lot of what they see themselves do every single day. If you're not able to understand what the real value of your work is, and if you identify with the invisible labor that you keep on doing, then obviously you're going to feel like AI is going to completely destroy your livelihood. But if you understand that actually my value lies elsewhere, then AI and its impact on your work is going to shift fundamentally.